Hello students, let's learn in this unique learning channel about Portulaca grandiflora, which is called this 9 o'clock plant or 10 o'clock plant, or it is somewhere called as 11 o'clock plant also, because it flowers around 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. It flowers and you can see different varieties are being shown here. There is a hybrid variety and this is your common varieties, and then you are being shown different varieties of these plants, how you can grow these, what are the uses of these plants, and how you can get more flowers in this plant, in which season it grows. All this you can understand through your unique learning channel. So happy learning. Have a nice time learning about your Portulaca. 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock plant looks like this in the early morning with all the buds close together. They appear like this, so they can be put in pots like this with cactus. They will come up very well. Hello students, let's understand today about Portulaca grandiflora, that is your 9 o'clock plant or 11 o'clock plant or 10 o'clock plant, which is commonly, it is having these names because it flowers around 10 o'clock, 9 to 11 o'clock, it flowers around that time, and you can see these wonderful flowers. They come in the morning time every day. Now, this plant has scientific name of Portulaca grandiflora. It grows in our India, it grows in Asian region, it grows in Brazil, and it is having some other common names also. It is also called as moss rose or rock moss, and this is actually a Mexican moss also, or Mexican rose, and it is a very hardy variety. It is a succulent plant, so its leaves, you can see leaves are thick and it is storing water inside it, so it does not need much care. And students, you know, it is an ornamental flowering plant. So in your channel, that is Unique Learning, you are able to get knowledge about all these different variety of plants, all these flowering plants, ornamental plants. So continuing with that series, now I am just telling you about this Portulaca grandiflora. So remain in the channel and let's understand now about what are the ways we can cultivate this and how we can put the fertilizer to this plant. How we can grow, like you see ma'am, this pot is not having much flowers, or there are no flowers in that. So what I will do to get the flowers, within 10 to 15 days I need flowers. So for that, what I will do? So remain in the channel, continue with the channel. Let's understand that. Now this how to cultivate it. What I will do, if I will cut out the twig, a small twig of this plant, if I cut out like this, and then this twig can be, with the help of a stick or anything, you can plant it inside this pot again. So it will grow up, and even this small twig you can take and plant it in a new pot. So it will grow up by its own. So its cultivation or its propagation is very easy students. Now next what we will understand about how to make it flower. So for flowering, first important thing is that you should remove these old seeds, old flowers which are left, and you see they have started becoming something like this, and seed formation is happening. Actually one plant can give you about 2 lakh seeds. So seeding is happening, but because seeding is happening, so energy of the plant will be utilized in this seeding. So better than that, what you can do, you can cut out all these small flowers which are old flowers, like old flowers are there here. You should actually take this out so that they flower nicely. Then if you are having ash of some burnt twigs or burnt branches or wood, then you can apply that ash to it, that is rich in potassium and phosphorus. So you can take half teaspoon of ash and add to all these pots. If you don't have ash, don't worry. What you can do, you may be having these tea leaves. Tea leaves at your home. I have kept one brand of tea leaves which is available generally in India, that is Red Label tea. So no, it's not necessary that you have to use this Red Label only. You can use any variety of tea leaves. And what you have to do in this, you have to take the tea leaves about 1 teaspoonful if you are applying it alone. If you are taking it with ash, then you have to take half teaspoonful of ash and half teaspoonful of these tea leaves. And just you have to sprinkle it on your pot. So let's see, in about 15 to 20 days it should start flowering and more flowers should come out of this. Now this plant, you can see it has got different type of flowers also. There is some yellow flowered, there is some pinkish colored flowers. So different flowers. Actually the seeds of this plant are available in a mixed form. So it's available in the market and you can buy it and you can grow in your pot, and every year you can propagate. Now suppose if you are not having these dry tea leaves, or you don't want to spend your dry tea leaves on this, then you can even take these tea leaves which are already used. Already used tea leaves will be also having, actually these are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So what you have to do, just you have to take this 1 teaspoonful and you have to sprinkle it on your pot like this. Apply it on a regular basis. So the plant will get nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen will help in the proper growth of the plant, and phosphorus and potassium will help in the proper flowering of the plant. So I hope you have liked this, learning about this succulent Portulaca grandiflora flower, that is 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock flower. So students, grow these plants at your home. Make more and more flowers out of this, enjoy their colors, and to tell you that Portulaca grandiflora is not very fragrant, but it looks very lovely and it comes out anywhere. It can be grown in pots, it can be grown as a hedge plant, it can be grown in between your slabs or in between the tiles also on the floor. So it's a lovely plant, you will enjoy planting this.
See these beautiful 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock flowers, they have bloomed so nicely after adding the leaves of tea leaves which are added in the dried form, and after making the tea also the tea leaves can be added, and then it looks so nice. It has bloomed so nicely. So you can also do the same treatment and grow more and more these 10 o'clock flowers in your pots.